Besides the lungs and the trachea, we have the bronchi. The bronchi are the two divisions of the trachea. So the trachea is going to divide into two bronchi that enter the lungs. The bronchi are similar in structure to the trachea. They produce mucus to trap dirt particles. They have structures called cilia, which are like small hairs. The cilia move the dirt that is contained in the mucus. So the mucus is there to have the unwanted particles stick to it. And once it sticks to it, the cilia are going to move this mucus that contains the unwanted particles towards the throat so that we can cough it out. Larger bronchi are supported by cartilage. However, as the bronchi are reduced, the cartilage is reduced. So as the bronchi get smaller, we have less cartilage. These bronchi then branch into bronchioles. They are made of muscle lined with epithelial cells, and this muscle allows them to constrict so that they can control the flow of air in and out of the alveoli. And then we end in the alveoli. So we started with trachea, branching into bronchi, branching into bronchioles, and the bronchioles end in alveoli. The alveoli are small air sacs. They have a diameter between 100 micrometers and 300 micrometers. We have some collagen and elastic fibers between the alveoli, and they are lined with epithelium. These elastic fibers allow the alveoli to stretch because once they fill with air, they are going to increase in volume. So having elastic fibers supports this stretching without them bursting. And when we breathe out, they don't collapse because they have this elasticity. They can spring back. And the gas exchange surface in this system is the alveolar membrane.